We made $7,459 per month on autopilot from a single ebook, and we created it in just 24 hours. Yep, no fancy software, no ghostwriters, and no waiting weeks for perfection. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to create your own ebook in one day, even if you're starting from scratch, and how to turn it into a product that actually sells. Most ebooks fail before they're even written because they try to help everyone with everything. Think of it like the movie The Incredibles. When everyone's super, no one is. If your ebook tries to speak to everyone, it blends into the background. But when it speaks directly to one person with one problem, it stands out like Frozone at a backyard barbecue. So think of it this way. Your ebook must solve one specific problem for one specific person and deliver one transformation. This is the Holy Trinity. Let's say your audience is busy moms struggling with picky eaters. An ebook called 5 Sneaky Ways to Get Your Kids to Eat Veggies Without a Fight is way more profitable than Nutrition Tips for Families, which is super vague and does not speak to one specific person. Clarity equals cash. When your avatar reads your ebook title and thinks that's literally me, you are halfway to a sale. Start here and you'll avoid 90% of the beginner mistakes. What problem would your ebook solve? Drop it in the comments. I might give you a title idea or let you know if it's specific enough right there in the replies. And if you want to learn our entire digital product process, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Hate writing? Good, you don't have to. Here's a hack. Use Google Docs or your phone's voice-to-text feature and talk your ebook out. Set a timer for 30 minutes, brain dump the steps, and edit it later. You can knock out 3,000 to 5,000 words in under an hour. Thank me later. That 60-minute recording session, that's your $7,000 a month asset in the making. You don't need to be a writer, you need to be a problem solver. Talk it out, then polish it. Done is better than perfect. Always. Don't let your perfectionism ruin your potential for freedom. Okay, so have you ever bought a $27 ebook just for the bonus templates? Yeah, exactly. Canva has free ebook templates. Use them. Make your life easier. Add them in and add value by adding things like checklists, mini workbooks, or swipe files. These make your offer feel like it's worth $97, even if it's priced at $9. A simple, digestible design plus irresistible bonuses equals an instant boost in perceived value. This is how one of our ebooks crossed 5K in its second month alone. You don't need fancy design skills, just Canva and a little bit of creativity. Think of it like guac at Chipotle. It's extra, but you still say yes every time. Let's talk about the top 3 ways people tank their ebook sales and how to dodge them. First things first, too broad of a topic. We've already talked about this, but this needs to stick. Instead of titling it something like how to be more productive, narrow it to something like a 3-step routine to help ADHD entrepreneurs get focused. Now that is the Holy Trinity we talked about. Remember, specific sells, vague does not. Now let's talk about no transformation and just tips. If your ebook is just a bunch of random tips without a before and after, it will not feel valuable. People want a result, not a Google search and PDF form. Instead of 10 Instagram growth hacks, go with how I grew from 0 to 10K followers in 60 days using this exact strategy. That's a transformation they will pay for. And then there's selling before creating an audience or traffic strategy. Posting your ebook once on Instagram is not a launch. So build an audience or create a traffic system like YouTube, an email list, or ads, something that keeps sales coming long after launch day. You can create the most brilliant ebook, but if nobody understands who it's for or what it does, crickets. Profit happens when clarity meets demand. So focus, transform, promote. If you only remember 3 words from this video, let it be those. So far, I've shared 4 tips on creating your ebook, and I have 1 more golden tip to go. But if you want to discover the perfect profitable digital product for you, you can download our totally free profitable digital product discovery bot. If you treat this like a side hustle, it'll pay you like one. Every ebook you create is a digital asset, one that can sell 24/7 if you position it right. Set up systems that keep traffic and conversations going while you sleep. Here are some actionable strategies to do just that. Set up a simple lead magnet that offers a free checklist or bonus in relation to your ebook, and use that to grow your email list. Use an evergreen email sequence that introduces your ebook, shares your story, and overcomes objection. Repurpose your content. Turn a single ebook chapter into 3 YouTube shorts, 1 carousel post, and an email. Add the ebook as a bump offer or upsell inside your checkout flow if you sell courses or coaching. Track everything. Email open rates, sales page conversions, and refunds. The more data you have, the better decisions you can ultimately make. That's how we hit $7,459 a month. No constant launching, no burnout, just systems. You're not just writing an ebook, you're building a business one product at a time. You don't need to be a writer, a designer, or a tech wizard. You just need to solve a problem and follow the plan. Whether this is your first digital product or your 15th, you've got this. Someone out there is literally praying for the solution you can create in one day. And if you want to learn our entire digital product process, along with copy scripts, Canva templates, and other done-for-you tools, be sure to check out our new free training linked in the description below this video. Now that you know how to create an ebook in just 24 hours, you might be wanting to learn about what digital products don't sell. But how do you figure that out? Well, it all starts by watching this next video here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it is way more powerful. I'll see you in the next video.